This 2025 CrossRoads Zinger 340RE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features a granite gray interior, sleeps 6, microwave, water heater, air conditioning, smoke detector, self-contained, oven, TV, refrigerator, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 CrossRoads Zinger 340RE is 8,829 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.